Optimized slot filling is support software for a specific operational decision. Optimizes the slot filling process by determining the most efficient sequence for collecting required information. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that support teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimized slot filling narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimized slot filling starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include number of information slots, dependency factor, difficulty variance, priority weight, and average time per slot. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the quality score of the optimal sequence by balancing base efficiency against dependency complexity and aligning with priority weighting of critical slots. Calculate the expected total collection time by adjusting the base time with overhead from dependencies and penalties for revisiting failed slots, considering the sequence quality. Calculate the percentage improvement in collection time compared to a baseline random sequence using the expected time and the sequence quality score. Determine the minimum number of essential slots that must be collected in the optimal sequence based on dependency clusters and priority weighting, and generate the recommended sequence of slot numbers as a text string ordered to minimize total collection time while respecting dependencies and priorities. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how support teams actually make decisions. Optimized slot filling returns structured outputs such as sequence quality score, expected collection time, efficiency gain over random, critical path length, and slot dependency matrix. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. C is Cressy if follow-up actions. The value of optimized slot filling is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated support work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.